अरे पूरा नहीं आएगा चलो पीछे उद्या उद्या पुढे नको पाठी उद्या माझ्यावर
Okay, well, first of all, I don't think Seth needs any introduction to you at all, because it's not that often I come to this showroom and have such a welcome committee. So you're obviously here for a very different reason. It's great to have Seth actually choosing to have a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. We're very, very proud of that fact. It's a very interesting time for us at the moment. I'm sure some of you will know we just launched the new Jeep Compass, this made in India global product, and we're now exporting that product to Japan, to the UK, to Australia. So a fantastic story in India about this fantastic new showroom in Mumbai, and now we've delivered something like 600 new Compass already to customers across Mumbai. So we're going in great strides. It's great to have this opportunity, Seth. I hope you're going to enjoy the SRT. There is one small addition to this car that doesn't come standard, and that's there's an additional smaller seat in this for you to have family members. So SRT, 475 horsepower, heavy 6.4 litre V8.
My car.
Enjoy.
Thank you. I speak in Hindi or English? Hindi, English.
माइक
Okay. ठीक है तो कहाँ
पहले फोटो पीछे ना यार पीछे ना वीडियो वाले पीछे आ जाओ अरे यार इनको देखना यार थोड़ा बाजू में लेफ्ट में सर आगे अरे क्या करते हैं यार अरे यार कैमरा सेंटर लेफ्ट सर लेफ्ट सर लेफ्ट सोलो सर
Okay.
अरे सोलो सिंगल पिक्चर सर राइट साइड सर सेंटर सर लेफ्ट सर लेफ्ट ट्राइपॉड पे ट्राइपॉड पे क्या आगे ले लो अरे पूरा नहीं आएगा चलो पीछे उद्या उद्या पुढे नको पाठी उद्या माझ्यावर
Okay, well, first of all, I don't think Seth needs any introduction to you at all, because it's not that often I come to this.
Nice. Please clear the background. Just please clear the background.
गाड़ी तो दिखे
हाँ
सर
गाड़ी दिख
आप इधर आ जाइए पीछे आ जाइए
दिख रही
हाँ बैकग्राउंड किया
So start 5 minutes, sir. 5 minutes.
much you are excited
Okay, let me say something.
Yeah.
Okay, So I'm very happy and excited to be here. This is a beautiful car. It's one of the most stylish Jeeps I've ever seen. The Jeep brand has been in our family since as long as I can remember. For many, many years. I remember my parents and my father driving it in Bhopal. We still have about 2 or 3 old Willys Jeeps. It's very common. You see a lot of them in places like Bhopal with the whole open bonnet, and it was such a tough car that it could climb almost anything. When we had wet rivers and the most difficult terrain, the Jeep had no problem climbing it. I think the heart of it is a classic, beautiful engine and a lot of power. But the fact that they've reinvented it and made it such a beautiful kind of modern machine is very cool. The design is stunning. I think as an actor, I live in my car. I spend a lot of time in my car, traveling a lot. So to have a comfortable, safe car that is easy on tough roads is a big plus. And I'm super excited to have the Jeep because it is all those things and more.
तो सैफ सर सबसे पहले राइड पे किसको ले जाने वाले हैं आप अपनी कार में?
जी, अगर आप देखें तो इस सीट पे पीछे एक बेबी सीट है. तो आई थिंक तैमूर इज गोइंग टू गेट द फर्स्ट राइड. उनको पहले ले जाएंगे.
तैमूर के साथ किस तरह मनाएंगे आप
क्या गिफ्ट है इस बार?
चिल्ड्रंस डे पे खास करके?
चिल्ड्रंस डे आज है.
नहीं कल tomorrow.
हाँ, नहीं तो सोचना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक बहुत खास. शायद मैं गाड़ी दे दूँ उनको. लेकिन security is very important also. This car has a lovely baby seat in the back, and I'm very excited. I think Taimur will love the color. A nice cherry red Jeep. तो मैंने actually सोचा कि ये मैं गाड़ी उनके लिए रखूँगा.
और बाकी बच्चों की तरह हिदायत देते हैं कि चिल्ड्रंस डे आता है.
Yes.
तो वक्त में किस तरह की हिदायतें देंगे?
I think every day is Children's Day. Okay, if you're a parent, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि एक दिन खास होता है. Every day is a celebration. Children are the most important things in our life.
Sir, we know that as actors, you guys mostly have drivers. Would you make it a point to drive it yourself, this car?
You're right. That's an interesting thing. I mean, we do have drivers, and I think sometimes the driver will drive, sometimes I will drive. I don't love traffic, but I love driving. So sometimes when we shoot outside, we have to drive to Pune or beyond, sometimes to Mahabaleshwar, anything out of town. I might even take it to Delhi and use it in Patodi, things like this. I do love driving, but I usually drive either at night or early in the morning.
चिल्ड्रंस डे की किस तरह शुभकामनाएं देंगे आप?
हम गाड़ी की बात करें.
नहीं नॉर्मली कल बच्चों के लिए भी एक दी है.
तो क्या कह रहे हैं?
शुभकामना किस तरह देंगे बच्चों को?
नहीं, मैं तो दुनिया भर के सारे बच्चों को मैं विश करना चाहूँगा. हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे.
Thank you.